Hello friends, welcome back to 10 minutes investment with Fanil Dedia. Guys, in last lecture we discussed what is SIP, SWP and STP. But that video didn't answer the question why. And I promised you that next video would be on why one should go for SIP. In other sense, what are the benefits of SIP? So let us start with our today's video, benefits of systematic investment plan. If you don't know what is SIP, please go back to my last video and acquaint yourself with the meaning of SIP, SWP and STP. So let's start. What are the benefits of systematic investment plan? Broad level, according to me, SIP gives you the three broad advantages. First one is it helps you to achieve financial goal. आपने एक फाइनेंशियल गोल सेट कर लिया कि आने वाले 2 साल में, 3 साल में या 5 साल में ये मेरा गोल्स है जो मुझे अचीव करना है. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. आपको मोटर बाइक लेना है, कार लेना है, घर परचेज करना है, आप एजुकेशन, आपका फर्दर एजुकेशन के लिए आप पैसा इकट्ठा कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ अप टू यू. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. सो आपने गोल सेट कर लिया और वो गोल के अचीव करने के लिए आप आज से पैसा सेव कर रहे हो. ये हो गया हमारा एकदम बिल्कुल ओल्ड टेक्निक. और यही हैबिट्स, यही बात यूज़ होती है सिस्टमेटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान में, दैट इट हेल्प्स यू टू अचीव फाइनेंशियल गोल. देन इट हेल्प्स यू टू ब्रिंग फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन. SIP ब्रिंग्स फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन. इन व्हाट सेंस? जैसे आप मैच्योर हो जाओगे और भी आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आएगी, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स डिसिप्लिन सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. आप रेगुलरली जो भी इनकम आपको आ रहा है उसमें से आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे सेव कर रहे हो पहले और तुरंत इन्वेस्ट भी कर रहे हो. एक डिसिप्लिन, एक सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में आप, इट इज़ लाइक कंपल्सरी सेविंग्स एंड कंपल्सरी इन्वेस्टमेंट. नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ऑन दिस फ्रंट. पहले सेव करोगे आप और बाद में आप स्पेंड करोगे. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया है, अरे वैसे ही कैरी करना है आपको. सो इट हेल्प्स टू ब्रिंग फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन. एंड थर्ड मेजर एडवांटेज इज बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग. ये टेक्निकल है. रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग ये क्या है, मैं आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में प्रैक्टिकली भी दिखाऊंगा. तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, मेजर 3 पॉइंट्स हैं जिसका सिस्टमेटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान आपको फ़ायदा देता है. कुछ इसी तरह का बेनिफिट्स SWP और STP में भी आपको मिलता है. सो गाइज, इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग and why we should go for it. Guys, we all know that market never goes in a straight line. You see this? This is a market telling you its mood, ups and downs, ups and downs. It also behaves like a mood of any typical human being. Sometimes we have lows in our life, sometimes we are high on our life. The same thing happens with the stock market. It never moves in a vertically straight line. Let me show you. It never move like this. It is always ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. So as a layman investors, we don't know that when to invest, when not to invest. कभी हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट करना है या स्टॉप करना है, वी डोंट नो, राइट? अगर मैं लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया मैंने, तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस लोज इन अ मार्केट. अंडरस्टूड? वन टाइम लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया. SIP में क्या बेनिफिट मिलता है? यू आर बाइंग एट द टॉप एज वेल एज यू आर बाइंग एट द बॉटम. ऑफकोर्स इसके लिए आपका जो SIP का फ्रिक्वेंसी होगा, इट हैज़ टू बी ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म. एग्जाम्पल के लिए इट्स 1 year इज़ ओके, बट इन अ ट्रू सेंस इफ़ यू वांट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ SIP, इट हैज़ टू बी ऑफ अ लॉन्ग टर्म. 3 साल, 4 साल, 5 साल का SIP होगा तो उसमें आपको बरोबर बेनिफिट दिखेगा. सो व्हेन यू गो फॉर SIP, you will get benefits of all the moods of the market, because market never moves like in a straight line like this. So if you want to take benefits of all the behaviors of market, it's always better to go with SIP. Understood? Now let me show you benefits of SIP practically and why it is important and how it gives you the benefits. Okay, so let's see. So this is a table. I have taken example of 12 installment. That means monthly installment. That means total 12 installment in a year, and amount is 1000. सो एक एक महीने का SIP है 1000 का और एक साल का है. दैट मीन्स कि 12 इंस्टॉलमेंट रहेंगे 1000 के. सो एट द एंड ऑफ अ 12-month इंस्टॉलमेंट you will be investing total of 12,000 rupees. You see, you can invest this 12,000 in a lump sum manner, but same 12,000 we have divided in 12 installment, each installment of rupees 1000. Now see, let us see how we are going to get a benefit. In first installment, NAV was, say for example you are taken a SIP in some equity fund. उसके पहले इंस्टॉलमेंट में NAV है 85. So you have got units of 11.76. Second installment, NAV has increased to 90. So you will be getting lesser units compared to earlier one. In third SIP, NAV has further increased to 93. So you have got further less units. So market is right now is in a uptrend. That's why NAV is high and you are getting less units. But now see what is happening from fourth installment. NAV has decreased to 89. So you got little bit more units. Then it has further gone down to 87, then 85, 83, 80, and you have got maximum units 12.50. See the next one, 75. NAV has come down to 75 and you have got more units, highest units of 13.33. Because market is in a downswing right now, it is going down. So you have purchased your units when market was increasing, and you have also purchased the units when market was going down. Now see what is happening. There is again a U-turn by market. NAV has increased to 80, 85 and back to 90. Accordingly you got your units. So at the end of the 1 year you have invested total of 12,000 and you have got units of 141.38. Now divide this 12,000 with 141.38, you will get average price of 84.87. See, your average price is 84.87. Though you have bought units at very different rates, lowest being 75 to highest being 93, but at the end of the 12 installment your average price is 84. This is what we call rupee cost averaging. So this is just a simple example of 1 year, total of 12 installment. Imagine you have a SIP of, say for example 3 years, that comes to what, 36 installment, or 4 years, or can be 5 years, 60 months SIP. It's possible. I told you, जितना मार्केट में आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए पैसा इन्वेस्ट करोगे उतना आपको ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा. बिकॉज during those time market has gone through the many various trends and you have got the benefits of all the trends. So in 1 year your average price is 84.87. Imagine if you have a SIP of 3 years or 5 years, what would be your average price? See, so this is a benefit of SIP. It helps you to bring down your average cost. So rather than investing the whole 10,000, 20,000 or 50,000, it's always better to invest in a SIP manner. Of course, there can be some exceptional rules that when you should avoid it, but that's a different matter. It's a little bit more in-depth analysis. But as a layman investors, I would say all these informations are sufficient to understand. And another thing is that the best thing is that you might not have 10,000 or 20,000 lump sum investment, right? But you can invest 1,000 monthly. So SIP gives you the benefit of entering into market even with a low amount of capital. You do not have to wait for 12 months so that you have saved 12,000 and then now go and invest. It's not like that. You can start right away. The moment you are earning something, it's better to start with your SIP. because even as a student you can start SIP as low as 500 rupee. That is the beauty of mutual fund, that it allows you to invest, it allows you to start investing in an equity market by just 500 rupees. Understood? So guys, it's my suggestions to everyone that you may or may not have a big chunk of amount to invest, but I believe that you can at least start with the minimum amount of investment, and it's always better to start your investment at early age, because that is what will give you average, or you can what you can say edge of compounding interest rate. Clear? Guys, I'm going to make my next video on how the NAV is calculated. So that video is going to give you a little bit more in-depth information about NAV, how it is calculated, how it increases, how it decreases. So stay tuned, like my videos, write in comments that what you have liked in this video or what you would like to see in my videos, and what on other topics would you like to see more videos. And subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button. It will give you all the notifications. So let's meet you guys in the next lecture, in the next video. Till that time, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.